ladies, so today I'm going to show you how to make these Coquette bow earrings, and these came out so cute. So first off, you're going to need an earring base that looks something like this and some wire. I'll leave everything in the description down below. Then you go ahead and fold your wire in half and put it through a little loop right there. And you have to make sure that you twist and turn, but like make it tightly, right? So it won't move around or anything. I'm also gonna go ahead and go with my pliers and just like close the little earring. You'll see right now when I show you guys. But right here, just closing it, make sure that the wire is tightly secured. After you make sure that that is secured and not going anywhere, you go ahead and add your beads. I use 4mm pearl beads. I had made them before in size 2, and those also came out really cute, but I ran out, so I wanted to make them in this pretty pink color. And you're just gonna wrap that wire around the base of the of where like it meets the earring, right? And you're gonna do the same thing that you did on that side to this side. And again, I'm gonna show you. You just wrap it around. It's really simple. Then right here, before you continue, you add a pearl. And this is just to cover that wire that's like crisscrossed right there, you know, so it won't look like bad or anything. So after you wrap that, you make sure that the wire comes down below the exact same way that the other one is. And now right here, you're starting to get like the bow figure, right? And you add your pearls. Then after you add your pearls, you make like a little knot on the bottom. I'm not sure how to describe it in English, but because I don't know, like in Spanish, se llama nudo de rosario. So I don't know. It's just like a little knot, I guess, a little twirl. I don't know. You guys can see here what I'm doing. But after I like wrap this there, you want to cut it, but make sure that you see the little wire sticking out. Just like clip it in so it won't hurt you, or if you're making them, like in my case, to sell, it won't hurt the person buying them. So you do the same thing on the other side, and this is how it. So now that you've made sure that it's all sturdy and not moving around anywhere, you're gonna add an extra little pearl like this one on the end of where that little knot loop that you made is, right? So all you do here is, again, you get your wire, you twist it up like with 3 little loops, and you add your pearl. And again, you close it up, and when you cut the wire, you make sure to tuck in the remaining wire inside, so again, it won't hurt anybody, right? Because wires like can really scratch you up, so you got to be careful with that. So after this, I am using, you see the little loop that's right there in the very middle? All right, from the earring, right? I'm gonna dangle this little heart charm that I have. If you don't have this one, you can just add your heart charm, like the crystal heart over there. But I have this one from like this chain that I bought, and I just like grabbed a little piece from there, right? So all you do is you make the 3 loops, and the same thing like little pearls that you guys like, that I showed you right now, you're gonna do the same thing with the heart. You're gonna pass the wire through it, and through the back, you're gonna wrap it like this. And then you cut your wire again, tuck it in, the same thing. Okay, so now that it's tucked in and everything's good, you're gonna go ahead and grab your jump ring. It's gonna look something similar to this, right? Like I said, if you don't have the little heart thingy, you can just use a jump ring and your heart, and close it up and make sure that it's tightly secured so nothing slips out or anything. And you want to make sure the bow is also sturdy, and this is how they came out looking. Thanks for watching, and if you try it out, go ahead and let me know below.